Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss what is meant by machine learning. What is the definition of machine learning and what are different types of machine learning algorithms. These things we will discuss in this video. Okay, so now coming to first the definition. What is meant by machine learning? See, the name specifies learning. Learning is nothing but acquiring some knowledge. So who is acquiring some knowledge? Machine is acquiring some knowledge. That is nothing but a machine learning. We are making a machine to acquire a knowledge is nothing but machine learning. So how a machine will acquire the knowledge? So different algorithms are there. So we will discuss all those algorithms. So generally, so coming to exactly what is the definition of this machine learning. So it is, first of all, it is a subset of artificial intelligence. So human intelligence is natural intelligence. So this intelligence is not natural, then that is artificial intelligence. Okay, so machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So on what it mainly focuses? So it mainly focuses on developing the systems that automatically learn and improves the knowledge. So improves the knowledge. Okay, what does it mean? So generally, if you consider a traditional model, a traditional model is generally, if you consider any programming language. So for any programming language, what we are doing is we are giving some input to the program. Okay, so that may be a program or an algorithm. Combinedly, we are giving these two to the system or machine. Then it is generating some output. So you are writing a program. For that program, it may ask some input. So based on that input, it will generate the output. This is traditional model. For example, here some input is there, like A is the input. Suppose your program is related to f of A, then assume if your output is Y, so then that output is depending on the inputs. So this input and the program. This is traditional model. Okay, so now coming to our machine learning model. ML model, machine learning model. What is machine learning model? So here generally later on we will discuss in detail that if you have some input data, the data is divided into like training and then testing. Like total from data, 70% may be training data, 30% may be testing data, or 80% may be training data, 20% may be testing data. Or so based on the algorithm and based on the input or based on the data set, so you will give or you will partition the entire data set. So training and testing. So all these things we will discuss in detail later. But now what is this machine learning model? This is a traditional model. How the machine learning model we can represent. So now anything we will give to the computer, but what we will give to the computer is important. Okay, as usual we will give some input, and here program and input we are giving. So now here, so improved model you will get, improved model or program. Okay, so that means training. This is train. That means what here we are doing is we are training our model. We are training our model. After training the model, what we are doing? So this is trained. Okay, so to this trained model we will test. Okay, this model will be tested by using some other data. Okay, like, so this is training model now, and now here it is testing model. So again we will give everything to the computer only. Now here test data we will give. Okay, so now this test data we will give to this one, this trained model. This is trained model. Okay, this is test data and trained model. Okay, both we will give input to the computer, then it will generate the output. That may be like, you can say it as accuracy or performance or whatever. Okay, output you can take it as some way. Okay, here, so this is main important thing. So machine learning model mainly depending on this training and testing. Okay, so this trained model and the test data both we will give as input, then it will generate the output. For example, here some you are giving some input here, like x you are giving. Okay, then your program may be f of x, like traditional model, and this we are training here. That means here some you will get like f dash x, some output y equal to f dash x. Okay, so now here test data, assume that the test data is some x2, and this trained model is our y, so which is nothing but f dash x. Then it will generate the output like y equal to, you can take it as some differentiation purpose, f double dash of this input x2 and x. So this is your machine learning model. So machine learning, what is machine learning? We are making a machine to acquire knowledge. This is the meaning here. We are making machine to learn something. So why we are learning, why we are making a machine to learn? So to test. So after testing it will generate. See, we are faculty are training the students. Okay, so faculty are training the students. Then how the students performance will be measured? The performance of this, so trained here. So this performance of the students can be done by testing only. Then you are going to know the performance of this trainer. So like that, so here we are training the model. So based on that training, so we want to test how accurately our machine is working. So that may be like accuracy or performance, whatever. So this is generally what is meant by machine learning. Okay, making a machine to learn, to acquire some knowledge. Okay, So hope you understand the basic definition of machine learning. You can say diagrammatic representation like this. Entire thing is artificial intelligence. Okay. Then subset of artificial intelligence is machine learning. Diagrammatically, you can represent the relation between artificial intelligence and the machine learning like this. Hope you understand, students. If you have any doubt, please send me your doubt in the comment box. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.